This project is in the mid to final stage, so it mostly focuses on debugging and adding new requirements. Good morning, my name is Vincent. I'm going to show you what I done during my internship. For the project that I help with, the client is from China, so the main language used will be Chinese. Let's check this bug together. Oh look, who is calling? It's our client. Let me join this call.
Recording in progress.
我看一下内部表现在什么情况。四哥现在怎么说？
现在那个就是变成零也会停止，要停止嘛，新增一个嘛，然后让软件加个的条件，就上面到4、6、7、8、0都会停嘛，都会跳5秒嘛。
哦，6、7、8，
是吧？是这样的吧？那个是应该是余浩利对吧？
对。
你看那个今天软件，那个这个改动量不大，今天软件出来吧？
可以。Aside from the issues discussed during the meeting, like the example earlier, we have an Excel sheet that records all the bugs. For an instance, this bug 2353 mentions that the big brake light fail signal didn't report any failure when the brake short circuit. So how should we check what is the problem? There's a record of the tester input and output data. By downloading and extracting it, we can see what's the input went into the model and what's the output that came out. In the data here, we can see that at around 9 seconds, there is input coming into the model, so the input is working fine. Let's check the output next. On the right side, we have the output data. By comparing the timestamp, we can see that the model is outputting a value of 2 when the input is short circuit. Therefore, there is no issue with the model. But it doesn't mean that the problem doesn't exist. It's just that the model is working fine. Now I need to contact the model integration engineer to check where the signal was lost. We also need to keep track on what been discussed in the group chat. Sometimes the client mentions changes that you are responsible for but forget to notify you directly. For example, in this chat, the guide was changed but the client forget to inform me. If I had not checked the chat, I wouldn't know that I need to make these changes. For this update, I need to delete a signal along with all its logic. So let's get started. Code generation is required for this project before handling it over to the client. When committing the code to the client, a detailed description of the changes done must be provided to ensure future tracking is possible. Then I need to inform the project integration engineer so that he can compile all the models together and build the software for testing. We can test the model using either software or hardware. If we are testing with hardware, we are using a PCB board like this, which can mimic the input signal. And this is the PCM board, which is the brain of the car, controlling almost everything electronically. For example, when we insert an input, the respective LED will light up to indicate the functionality. If we are using software, we insert all the inputs and then run the program. We can check the graph to verify the functionality.
什么时候我开始没有梦想？什么时候不看小叮当？什么时候不信超人会飞翔？鼓起勇气去敢 trust 蟑螂。好想回到青涩的时光，有 Michael Jackson 陪我翘课逃亡。好想回到年少无知的轻狂，随手就能摘下星星和月亮。让我疯狂，让我一丝嚣张，让我脱光那黑压压的西装，让我呐喊，什么我都不管。依然绝代小跑到南极晒太阳。对不起，老板，我不想上班。对不起，亲爱的爹娘，我要把钱花光。对不起，老板，我不想上班。对不起，别再找我麻烦，我只是想要吊吊郎当。我才不要25就挂掉，整天埋头苦干，80岁才下葬。我才不要每天早餐午餐晚餐，早睡早起上班，就像机器空转，所有新鲜事都与我